Welcome to Crowded Lab. Today, I have on review Wiz Write. This is your assistant in creating content. So you will be speaking to this web-based tool, and it will help you to produce different type of content. We'll see how this tool works in action in a moment. And also, I have watched the introduction video, and it seems that it is the same founder, this one, which created Super Machine Art. So at least I believe this person knows how to launch the software. The tool is pretty simple. It will record your voice. It will prepare the transcription of your speech, and then it will be able to perform some AI actions. There are some predefined ones like generating Twitter thread, and you should be able to create your own actions to produce different type of content from one, I would say, speech to text session. So what we have regarding plans, I see maybe the most attractive one is the second plan, because it gives you unlimited transcriptions monthly, and you can manage to create 50 custom AI actions. You have all the functionality, including webhooks, so you can create different pieces of content and, for example, using Zapier or webhooks, submit those different types of content automatically to other tools. So this plan, considering unlimited amount of monthly transcriptions, seems as most reasonable to me. Okay, let's jump into the Wiz Write application. Basically, it is pretty straightforward. This is the main page where you can select some custom actions, movie script, LinkedIn post. It would be nice if I would be able to edit or at least see the prompt for these actions. And with demo account, I cannot create the custom one, but I believe it is like you define some kind of prompt similar to one you create for ChatGPT. So with Appsumo module, you will be able to create your own custom AI actions. So one way is to go to Wiz Write main page and use it from here. But actually, let's use a Chrome extension. So you need to click on the Wiz Write extension here. It will appear to the right. And by the way, we are close to our first 1,000 subscribers. Thank you, everybody, for all of your support. And to celebrate that, I'm running the giveaway. You will find the link to that giveaway in the description, along with the link to Wiz Write. And basically, to be able to win Appsumo codes worth $100, you just need to enter your email or sign up with your Google account. And basically, the mandatory part is to be subscribed to Crowded Lab YouTube channel. And as well, you may win additional entries if you will share the link to this giveaway in LinkedIn, Twitter, or Facebook. Again, to register, simply visit the link in the description and enter your email. So let's get back to Wiz Write. Let's select few custom AI actions, create an X thread, Surfer Pro, I don't know what is that, but let's select that. Let it be LinkedIn post as well. So let's begin and read the beginning of the giveaway description. Let's celebrate the growth of our Crowded Lab community. We are on the way for the first 1,000 subscribers. Thank you all for your support. To join giveaway, just enter your email and be subscribed to Crowded Lab YouTube channel. What do you win? The winner may choose any Appsumo codes for available products in total under $100. For example, you may choose Focus C for $39 and WeMaker AI for $59. Choose any number of codes you can fit under $100. All right, we are done with the transcription. And here we are getting additional content created, which we requested. So first of all, you get the audio file, you have the transcript ready for you. You can edit that if you need. For example, I can see Crowded Lab here is spelled correctly, but the first one, Crowded Lab Community, here, yep, we needed to change that. So here is the X thread. Okay. What can we do else here? What does it mean, these webhooks? Oh, so you will be able to post your content through different webhooks. And if needed, I think we can regenerate the content. Surfer Bro, it is a piece of content in style of, well, Surfer Bro. And if needed, we can regenerate different types of content. Yep. I think it was sent for regeneration. Let's try one more time. Oh, I see. It didn't delete the previous one. It just created additional entry. Okay. So when you're done recording with your Chrome extension, you can go to the main application as well and open your session here. Maybe it is a bit more convenient. And what can you do else here? You can run AI actions after the recording is done. For example, let's say I want a sales pitch, so I can just request running that action. And here it is, the sales pitch is created. Well, what can I say about this tool? It is pretty convenient, small tool which can help you to generate different types of content if you like speaking a lot. It provides mobile responsive design, so you can use this tool from your mobile as well. It works fast. I think as a software, it is pretty solid one and it delivers on its promise. And what I like about this one is the ability to create your own custom AI actions. So you can transform the content the way you like and then submit that automatically to other tools using webhooks. Well, to get Wiz Write, please check my link in the description. Check the link to the giveaway as well. And as usual, please give this video a like if you find this content useful and subscribe for more similar videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.